What's up guys, Gaming Max here, and welcome to a game that called Broforce. I found this game on the internet, and I saw the trailer actually. It looks fucking awesome, and I want to try it. Wait, start new camping, yeah. Empty, hard, normal, yeah. Play offline, of course. Alright, okay. What the fuck? What am I doing? Why am I on a Lego helicopter? What the hell? I'm supposed to go over there? But actually look fucking... Alright. What the hell is happening? Okay. See you in a sec, guys. Whoa! Whoa! I like this game already! But... Whoa! Ah! Yeah! America! Ah! Sorry about that. Oops. I love America! Alright. Yeah! Oh my gosh, I almost killed myself! Yeah! Save! There! Fuck! Come on, blow! Come on! Blow this! What the fuck? I'm an idiot. Sorry about that. Wait, no! I don't have any more bombs? Bromando? Oh my gosh, what the hell is Bromando? What? Why am I him now? How can I switch? Alright, I don't want to switch. Fuck you! Fuck you! Oh my fucking god, I love this game so much. Ja! I killed myself. Yeah, I can do this with him too. I could use some music actually. Let's turn the music on. And there's no option of... God damn it. Wait, what did I do? God damn it. Alright, I accidentally exit from the game and I have to do everything from the start. Not that I do anything yet. Fuck! God damn it. Stop throwing shit. Release it. Save him. Save. I saved you. Nah. Fucking noisy. Who the hell is that? I wasn't him before. Ish. Whoa! He fucking shoots fire. Who the hell is... Oh, can I touch it? No, don't think so. Fuck you! Wow. Fuck yeah! Destroy! Shit, explosions! Fuck! Oh, thank god, I thought I killed myself. Fuck you! Fuck! Never mind. Come on, step on it. How can I change the flag? Whoa. What am I supposed to do? Oh, there you... Fuck yeah! Helicopter, that's it? That was the first level? That was easy. Let's go! What am I supposed to do here? There's fire. Am I supposed to... Oh, I know it's going to happen. Grab! Oh, I thought I'm gonna die there for a second. What the hell is this? Cut it. What? Ah, it can throw grenades too. Yeah. Fucking love this game. Alright, I'm gonna save you. Fuck. Whoa. Damn it, it's too noisy. Come on. Oh yeah. That's it. I can shoot a couple of bullets at the same time. How am I supposed to go up from here? What? Alright, let's go right. Now go up. I can't die from the fire? Come on. At least... Oh, Fuck you! He fucked me! Fuck you! Oh, who I am now? You saved. Now who is gonna... Oh, this guy again. Alright. He died? Oh! Fuck! This guy? Damn it, I don't like him. He's boring. He only shot a couple of bullets and that's it. Whoa, 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 whoa! What the fuck was that? Thank God I dodged it. Oh! Broad! I like the music. What he can do? Nothing. Oh, I think... Fuck! Alright, I'm going to burn their asses! Burn! Burn! What? It's the devil? Yeah, it was the devil. That's it? Come on! Maybe I should make this hard, not normal. Yeah, I fucking explode him! Can I? Yeah, it's too low. Alright, let's go! Fuck! Oh my gosh, so many explosions! Yeah! What the hell is that? Oh, that guy. Fuck! Alright, I'm the black dude now. Come on! What? Did he run away? Fuck you. Bleh. How did I? Bleh. Oh. Fuck! Whoa! I'm gonna add, probably add it already. I was gonna say I'm going to add my own music. Alright, I'm gonna save you. This guy! Fuck, here's explosion on him. Fuck! I can't die or something? If it's like that, it's fucking, yeah. Oh, he killed me. Mission failed. I'm going to... Fuck, I missed. Yeah, look at my muscles. Look at them. Alright, let's kill you. Fuck off. Fuck off. Oh man. What? That didn't do anything. I only can shoot. Oh, I can knife them too. Why I didn't try that before? Alright, let's go down. And destroy. Fuck. Alright, let's save him. Just save him. What the fuck is that? Alright, I get it. Oh. I think I can throw bombs? Dynamite? Let's try this. Ooh, chicken. It is. What happened? I throw some chickens and... Alright, that's awesome! Fuck you guys. Wait. Fuck you! Now! Damn, that didn't do anything. Just keep throwing stuff. That's it. That's how you do it, guys. Just keep throwing. Hey, devil! Die! Oh, I actually died. Reach it! Come on, damn it. Let's go up, I guess. Whoa, that was awesome. Fuck, I killed myself. And I think I have 2 lives. Yeah. Why did I do that? Alright, I finished the level. Fucking yeah, explosion everywhere. What is happening? I'm scared. Come on, explode this. Whoa! God damn, I can explode this truck? I can't. How do I now? Oh, I can punch! Fuck yeah! What? How did I do that? Fuck! He bite my head. Stop hitting my body, you stupid dog! Son of a bitch! Braid? What the fuck? Alright, I get it, come on. Blade or braid? Come on. I'm throwing knives. What is... Oh! Oh! What the fuck is exploding for nothing? Ah! Slice everybody! God damn it. Yeah, fuck! Bleh. Explode! Fuck, he killed me! I wasn't focused. Alright, who I am? Oh, the guy who throw stuff? Oh, it's fireman. Ah! Whoa! Fuck! Alright, I can punch. Yeah, I'm such a bad person. Yeah. Ugh. What? Why am I holding? It's pink, I see. Wait, I missed something. Bruiser! Get it! Let's go. Fuck! Go down. Can I? Let's throw this guy. Alright, now let's go up. Wah! Wah! Oh, I punched him in the... Fuck you. Fuck you! Fuck you! Yeah. Come on, just go up. Go! What? Fuck! Alright. Wah! Alright, I need to be... wait. Yeah. I need to be extra careful. Maybe not. Fuck. They died? That was fucking easy. Fuck you. Right in his head. Wait. Not now. I missed someone. Let's explode this thing. Yeah. Now you... Fuck. Whoa. What? Look at me. I can't save him now. Maybe I can? Nah, yeah. I can't save you. Fuck. Oh, I almost died. Almost fucking died. Oh, alright. And door it. God damn it. Yeah. Where I am? This guy. Alright, let's go up. Go up. Go fucking up. Faster. Yeah. Explosions. Yep. Well, guys, I don't know if I'm gonna make any any more videos of this game. I'll see. So if you like that, guys, share with your friends, leave a like, leave a comment, and feel free to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.